Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple 5-petal flower. So for this purpose, I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook and a cotton yarn. I am using 2 strands of yarn, but you can make this flower with 1 strand of yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers and make a magic ring, which is loose slip knot. Then make chain 1 and wrap the yarn around your crochet hook, go into the magic ring and pull the yarn. Pull through all 3 loops to make half double crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn, pull through all 3 loops to make half double crochet 2. Repeat the same pattern and make half double crochet 3, half double crochet 4 and complete 15 half double crochet stitches, repeating the same pattern. If you want to make 6-petal flower, you can make 18 half double crochet stitches. After completing your 15 half double crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn tail to form a ring and then go into the first half double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your first round. Then make chain 1, go into the same half double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Then make chain 3. After making chain 3, skip 2 half double crochet stitches, go into the next half double crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch. So this is the space for our petal. Again make chain 3, skip 2 half double crochet stitches, go into the third one and make single crochet stitch. Again make chain 3, skip 2 stitches into the third one, make a single crochet stitch. Again make chain 3 by skipping 2 stitches into the third one, make single crochet stitch. Then again make chain 3, skip last 2 half double crochet stitches and go into this first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your second round. Here we are going to make our petals. So go into this first chain 3 space by wrapping the yarn to make a half double crochet stitch. Now pull the yarn through all 3 loops to make your half double crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn, go into the chain 3 space, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops only and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Again repeat the same pattern to make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and after completing 5 double crochet stitches, wrap the yarn and then pull the yarn through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch. So we are having total of 7 stitches, 5 double crochet stitches and 2 half double crochet stitches. Now go into the single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your first petal. Now again repeat the same pattern for the second petal. Go into the next chain 3 space and make half double crochet stitch. by pulling the yarn through all loops, then double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through first 2 loops and by pulling the yarn through second 2 loops. Now repeat the same pattern for double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 sorry, double crochet 5, and then make a half double make a half double crochet stitch, then make a slip stitch into the next single crochet stitch. Now repeat this pattern for next 3 petals. After completing all the petals, go into the first single crochet stitch again and make a slip stitch, and then pull the extra yarn and cut the extra yarn. And now weave your yarn end with the help of needle. So take your yarn to the back side. After taking your yarn to the back side, first of all, make a knot to secure your work. Always make a knot to secure your work, so in case your work may not loose. After making a knot, you can weave your extra yarn end to some backside stitches. I am going to weave this extra yarn to these double crochet stitches of our first petal. After weaving, I have weaved this starting yarn after making a knot to secure my work from the start. So in case my magic ring may not loose, so after weaving you can cut your extra yarn ends and you can make these simple 5 petal flower with the leftover yarn, and you can also add bead in the center to decorate them. So if you like this pattern, must try. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.